We are looking at some big changes here across the Front Range. Yesterday at this time, we were in the mid 60s, and right now we're sitting at 47 degrees downtown, 41 at DIA. Thanks to the passage of a cold front, our temperatures are dropping, winds out of the north at 8 miles an hour, and temperatures are mostly in the 40s here for the Front Range and the Eastern Plains right now. Up in the mountains, 30s and 40s. And as for our weather headlines, we'll have mountain snow today, which has already begun to fall. We'll have metro rain and snow as temperatures really cool down. We'll stay in the 40s as we get through the rest of the day, and then we'll see clearing into tomorrow after the morning hours. Looks like things will linger into early tomorrow. Temperatures only in the mid 40s for today. That colder air, some rain mixed with snowfall into tonight. Highs in the 40s here for the Front Range, eastern Colorado, 70s here for southeastern Colorado, as it'll take a little bit before that colder air gets down into the southern part of the state. But at this point, we have snow falling in our northern and central mountains mixed with a little bit of rainfall out toward Grand Junction. But definitely as you head up in the higher elevations, you're going to be dealing with snow today. Winter weather advisories here for the western portion of the state until tomorrow morning. And just off to the west of Denver, 4 to 10 inches of snow possible, 6 to 12 elsewhere for our northern, central, and southern mountains. And this winter weather advisory starts just outside Golden and Boulder, right as you head up in elevation. So just be prepared for that. If you're driving here for the metro, we'll have rain mixed with snowfall, but we're just expecting wet roadways as we head through the next 24 hours. Now, winds not too bad here, but they're really howling up into northeastern Colorado. Those winds will be picking up as we go through the rest of the day, and we'll see the rain beginning late morning into the early afternoon. And it looks like the rain and the snow will affect us into the evening commute tonight. So rain and snow showers here as we get into the afternoon, heavy snow off to the west. And as we head toward the later evening, we have rain and snow pushing off to the east. So by about 9 o'clock, most of the energy here off to the east before we get that wrapping back around into Saturday morning. Rain and snow showers expected here. We could see a couple of inches of snow. Most of that will melt. It's where we're going to see the higher amounts and accumulation off to the west into the high country. As for our forecast tonight, temperatures in the 20s with some light snowfall. Temperatures only in the 40s and 50s again tomorrow. So we're not right back up into the 80s again as we've experienced the last few days. We'll have those 40s sticking around for a few afternoons, and on our Super 7-day forecast, 40s with a weather action day today, and then 40s tomorrow. We'll see some showers in the morning, clearing later in the day. 60s on Sunday, 70s into next week with lots of sunshine and those overnight lows in the 40s.